Welcome back to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of low-code website builders. These innovative platforms have revolutionized website development by empowering users to create stunning websites without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Join us as we explore the benefits, features, and popular tools in the low-code, no-code space. So, let's get started. Low-code site builders provide powerful tools that simplify the website development process, making it accessible to a wide range of users. These platforms utilize intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built components, allowing users to design and customize their websites visually. With low-code anyone can create professional-looking websites in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional coding methods. One of the primary benefits of low-code website builders is their ease of use. These platforms eliminate the need for complex coding languages and enable users to build websites by simply dragging and dropping elements onto their desired locations. The intuitive interfaces and visual editors make the website creation process intuitive and user-friendly. In addition to ease of use, low-code website builders offer a wide range of templates and design options. Users can choose from a variety of professionally designed templates, each with its own style and layout. These templates can be customized to match the user's branding and design preferences, giving them the flexibility to create unique and personalized websites. Furthermore, low-code, no-code website builders often provide a range of built-in features and functionalities. These can include elements such as contact forms, image galleries, sliders, e-commerce integration. Users can easily add these features to their websites without any coding, enhancing the functionality and user experience of their sites. Popular low-code website builders include Wix is a user-friendly platform that offers a vast selection of templates and customization options. Users can simply drag and drop elements onto their website canvas, customize them, and see the changes. Wix also provides a range of additional features, including SEO optimization, blog functionality, and e-commerce capabilities, making it suitable for various types of websites. WordPress is a widely used content management system that offers both low-code and no-code options. It provides a powerful platform for website creation and management. With WordPress, users can choose from thousands of themes and plugins to customize their websites. While some coding knowledge can enhance the customization possibilities, it's not necessary to get started with building a website on WordPress. Webflow is a visual development platform that combines the ease of low-code with the flexibility of custom coding. It offers a visual interface for designing websites and allows users to access and modify the underlying code if desired. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want more control over the design and functionality of their websites. Squarespace is known for its sleek and modern templates, making it a popular choice for creative professionals and businesses. It offers an intuitive interface and allows users to customize their websites using pre-built content blocks. Squarespace also provides e-commerce capabilities, making it suitable for online stores. These are just a few examples of the many low-code website builders available in the market today. Each platform offers its own unique features, pricing plans, and target audiences. It's important to explore and compare different options to find the one that best suits your specific needs and requirements. In conclusion, low-code and no-code website builders have democratized website development, making it accessible to individuals and businesses without extensive coding knowledge. The ease of use, wide range of templates and design options, and built-in features make these platforms a powerful tool for creating professional websites. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or an aspiring web developer, low-code website builders provide the tools you need to bring your online presence to life. So, why wait? Unleash your creativity, build your dream website, and make your mark on the web. Thank you for joining us today on Flux. If you found this video informative and engaging, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our ever-growing committee. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, good luck and peace.